Since working with Pentera, we've seen a return on investment from being able to do multiple pen tests a year, which saves us money, being able to validate those results. Our cyber teams are less work because now we have a tool that's automatically finding those vulnerabilities and giving us remediation steps to fix them. My name is Zach Lewis. I'm the CIO and CISO for the University of Health Sciences and Pharmacy. The University of Health Sciences and Pharmacy has been educating students for over 158 years. Security is critical for our team because recently in a new report, higher education was listed as the highest target for ransomware in the country. One of the biggest challenges we faced before onboarding Pentera Surface was just validating our external IPs. We are a very cloud-first university, so knowing what all public-facing IPs we have can be kind of challenging, but with Surface, it was able to identify where those are. I think from a monthly standpoint, we're running 3 or 4 scans every month, whereas before we were using 1 pen test a year to run up for 365 days before getting a refreshed one. But now we're getting those results every few weeks refreshed to see how well we're doing, which is something that's hard-pressed to find anywhere else. Adopting Pentera was a seamless process. One of the features we use the most in Pentera is black box testing, where we can set a scan against a cross set of IPs and it can scan and find any sort of vulnerabilities left pending in our environment. And once those are identified, we're able to show remediation steps that we can put into place to fix those and then scan again to see if we've repaired them. And also, we use some of the reports in Pentera to help check our trends over time, and it gives us grades over time, and that data has been very valuable. The support at Pentera is fantastic. They've gone above and beyond. If you're thinking about going with Pentera, I would absolutely say you should. My recommendation is it's a great product and it'd be very useful in your environment.